Hello friends, my name is Anubhav More and today's date is the July 6 and today I am talking about the sorting techniques in a Java. So sorting is the process of arranging the elements of an array so that they can be placed either in a ascending or descending order. For example, consider one array, the name is A. So A is equals to, in a curly braces of, a1 comma a2 comma a3 comma a4. So the array is called B. Ascending order is the element A are arranged like a1 greater a2 greater a3 greater a4, like this. So consider an array int a is equals to int a in bracket of 10 is equal to curly braces 5 comma 4 comma 10 comma 2 comma 30 comma 45 comma 34 comma 80 comma 9. The array sorted in ascending order will be given as, so array A is equals to 2 4 5 comma 9 comma 10 comma 14 comma 18 comma 13 comma 34 and 45. There are many techniques by using which sorting can be performed. In this section of the tutorial we will discuss each method in detail. Sorting algorithm. So first one is a bubble sort. It is the simplest sort method which performs sorting by repeatedly moving the largest element to the highest index of the array. It comprises of comparing each element to its adjacent element and replace them accordingly. So next one is a bucket sort. Bucket sort is also known as a bin sort. It works by distributing the element into the array, also called bucket. In these sorting algorithms, buckets are sorted individually by using different sorting algorithm. Third one is a comb sort. Comb sort is the advanced from the bubble sort. Bubble sort compares all the adjacent values, while comb sort removes all the turtle values or small values near the end of the list. Next one is a counting sort. It is a sorting technique based on the key. Objects are collected according to the key, which are small integers. Counting sort calculates the number of occurrence of objects and store its key value. New array is formed by adding previous key element and assigning to objects. Next one is a heap sort. Heap sort. In the heap sort, min heap or max heap is mentioned from the array elements depending upon the choice, and the elements are sorted by deleting the root element of the heap. Next one is a insertion sort. Insertion sort, as the name suggests, insertion sort insert each element of the array to its proper place. It is a very simple sort method which is used to arrange the deck of cards while playing bridge. Next one is a merge sort. Merge sort is the sort follows divide and conquer approach, in which the list is first divided into the sets of equal elements and then each half of the list is sorted by using merge sort. The sorted list is combined again to form an elementary sorted array. So the quick sort is the most optimized sort algorithm which performs sorting in comparisons like merge sort. Quick sort also work by using divide and conquer approach. So next one is a radix sort. Radix sort, the sorting is done as well do the sort the names according to their alphabetical order. It is the linear sorting algorithm used for integers. So selection sort. Selection sort finds the smallest element in the array and place it is on first place on the, then it finds the second smallest element in the array and place it on second place. This process continues until all the elements are moved to their correct ordering. It carries running time which is worse than insertion sort. Last one is a shell sort. Shell sort is the generalization of insertion sort which overcomes the drawbacks of insertion sort by comparing elements separated by a gap of several positions. So thank you.